Hey guys,
Hello.
this is Myron's video. I'm just recording for him because Myron is too lazy to make his own video. He said hit the record button. I'm hitting the record button. Let's go.
Yeah, okay, this is an anvil repairer, so right here we have a damaged anvil block, and down here we have a repaired anvil block. And if we flick this lever, when with high probability, we will get two repaired anvil items down here, but it doesn't work because it never works, because what do I know?
Demonstration effect.
I think actually that maybe, like
Let's do it again.
if you do
How
a,
many times are we going to have to record this?
Okay,
maybe
let's
it's
give it
also
one more time. One last time. Don't
Oh
jinx
my
it. Don't jinx it.
like maybe we should reload the contraption from the structure block.
Oh,
How do you even use structure blocks? I never.
You press load.
yeah. Okay, so we have the contraption here. One more time. Let's go. Just flick the leader, guys.
Okay, so we have a damaged anvil right here, and down there we have a repaired anvil block, and then we will activate the contraption, and afterward we will get two repaired anvil blocks down here.
Let me clear my inventory. Okay, I'm picking them up.
Yeah, okay, so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
anvils repaired.
Uh,
Yay. So about how does it work?
Like it works by using some black magic with hash sets which Earth invented to schedule duplicate tile ticks. So what we do, we have a repaired anvil right here. And what we do is we schedule two tile ticks on this anvil. It will process these tile ticks and it will create two repaired anvil entities. Okay. And what will then happen is the first of these repaired anvil entities will get processed and it will delete the anvil block and it will fall down. And then before the second anvil entity gets processed, we will move into its spot another damaged anvil entity. And then the damaged anvil entity will get deleted by the second repaired anvil entity, and then the second repaired anvil entity will fall down. It basically works similar to sand conversion, like you can convert red sand into white sand, which is something like test showed 5 years ago or something like that. And now we are doing something similar with anvils, and we are using some double tile tick scheduling, which Earth invented to make it possible with anvils, because otherwise it's really difficult to do with anvils or impossible. So yeah, that's everything about this contraption. I mean, it's obviously super complicated, but that's about much in depth we need to go here.
Yeah, and it's an almost sand converter, right? You can't use sand here. You just have to use anvils, because we don't know why.
Yeah, because otherwise the contraption blows up, because we actually blow up the TNT while it is inside an anvil block, and if you use a sand then just everything blows up and you don't get anything interesting.
I mean, if you make three or four changes to the contraption and mod the game, then it works. So yeah, almost sand converter.
Almost sand converter. Yep. So that was that. Have fun building this in your survival. Is this really useful? It's converting anvils into repair anvils. I'm not sure if it's useful, but it's interesting though. Myron had.
I don't show useful stuff on my channel. I usually just make new concept, and whenever people can figure out how to make it useful or something like that.
Yeah. Go figure something. Yeah.
I let my viewers decide whether this is useful.
That's actually a really good idea. You guys will decide if you want to build it or not. So that was it. Goodbye.
Bye.